Welcome back to my YouTube channel, my village, my English, and my name is Sapna. So guys, in this video I am going to talk about how you can stay motivate yourself in this speaking English journey, because motivation is very important. And to when we have to start something and there are so many people who demotivate us, no doubt there are so many people who encourage you and motivate you, still there are so many people who motivate you, and sometimes we are ourselves feel motivated. And in this video I am going to suggest some tips that will help you to improve your speaking English and help you to stay always motivated. So number one is, make your short term and long term goal. First is very important, because if you are able to achieve your short term goal, and it will help and it will build your confidence and also help you to fulfill your long term goal. So make your short term as well as long term goal and put your 100% effort to complete your short term goal, and it will help you to achieve your long term goal. Fine. The next one is, if you are able, you can purchase a course. Why I am saying this thing? Because if you purchase a course, when you spend your hard earned money on any course, you will put your 100% effort to learn this, and this will motivate you that I have to spend money here and now I have to do something, now I have to learn it. And if you are not be able to put your money to learn any course, then what you can do, you can talk to any co-learner on this app. Means on YouTube platform there are so many co-learner with whom you can talk and improve your speaking skill. When you are able to improve, or when you are able to convey your message to other person, it will motivate you that yes, I have done something. Because I had done a session with English with Dehati ma'am, that is Yashoda ma'am, and it built a lot of confidence in me that yes, I do something, and it motivate me to learn something new. So in this way your co-learner can help you and help you to motivate yourself. And another one is, that is, you can watch some motivational video. It will also help you a lot. You can read the struggle of the people, because as far as speaking English is concerned, so reading is very important. If you are not interested to read books which is not as per your taste, you can read the struggle of the people. It will motivate you, it will build a confidence in you and also give some new words to you. And you can analyze, you can compare your struggle with the struggle of that person, that also motivate you. And another one is, if you are learning this language, I think you had an aim. Without aim we are not doing any work. And if you have an aim to learn this language, then you have to put, and you have to be motivate yourself. Yes, if I want to learn this language, I definitely learn it, and I will learn it. This willpower you have to be. Okay, so it's very important, because nobody can motivate us, only ourselves, only we can motivate us. That another one is, this English language is a means of income for many people, and if you are learning this language, it means you want that this language raise your standard of living. And only this language can help you to raise your living standard. Because if you are learning this language, and if you are learning some another skill, it's another thing. But if you are here to improve your speaking skill, to enhance your communication skill, then you have to put your effort. For why? to improve your living standard. And when you are able to do something in this language, and then you feel that I have did something, I have done something. And I think nobody can motivate you, nobody can demotivate you. It's your own how you can manage the situation. There are so many people who say there are so many things to us, but we don't accept all the things. We accept the things which are good for us. And if the people say anything to you, you have to accept good things from them. Okay? And always motivate yourself. If I am here to learn something, I will learn and I will improve myself. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. Thank you very much.